The Record Roller 4-in-1 Complete Kit by VinylVac is all you need to efficiently clean your records in minutes. Your kit includes 4 incredible items: a large microfiber cloth, a safe surface to lay your records on, a 4-inch adhesive record roller designed to effectively remove any dirt and grime that lay on the surface of your records. The 4-inch roller is more efficient than your typical 2-inch roller because it covers the entire surface of 33 LP records, allowing you to quickly and easily clean your vinyl records in just a few passes. The needle brush consists of thousands of tightly packed carbon fiber bristles, allowing you to effectively clear your turntable stylus of any debris or static that may be present. And an anti-static record brush will remove and prevent any static that could be present on your vinyl records. Visit www.recordroller.com to learn more information.